Welcome to our channel. Today, we are exploring the top house front wall design trends from sleek minimalism to eco-friendly innovations. These ideas will inspire your next dream home. If you're new, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for updates. Drop a comment below and share your thoughts as we dive into these stunning trends. Front walls that double as lush, vertical gardens. Transform your front wall into a vertical garden, combining greenery with architecture for a refreshing, eco-friendly look. These living walls improve air quality and add unmatched vibrancy. Timeless exposed brick for raw sophistication. Exposed brick facades bring timeless charm, blending rustic aesthetics with contemporary design. They are durable, versatile, and perfect for a natural, warm appearance. Industrial-inspired walls with a textured concrete finish. Textured concrete walls give your home a sleek, industrial modern vibe. Their raw finish adds depth and is perfect for minimalist architecture lovers. Do you think minimalist facades are the future of design? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Mixed materials like stone, wood, and glass unite for a dynamic facade. Combine stone, wood, and glass to create a multi-dimensional facade. The interplay of materials creates visual interest and modern elegance. LED lit panels highlight textures and designs. Highlight architectural elements with LED lighting for a dramatic nighttime effect. These lights add luxury and emphasize textures and contours. Ready to transform your space? Discover the best products on Amazon to bring your vision to life. From vertical garden panels to stylish modern house nameplates, find top-rated options in the description. Don't wait, start your home makeover today. Louvered panels offer privacy and airflow with a sleek design. Add metal or wooden louvers for a facade that combines ventilation, privacy, and style. These panels create dynamic patterns with sunlight and shadows. We've explored 6 amazing house front wall designs so far. Which one is your favorite? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to share this video with someone who needs design inspiration. Luxurious stone finishes with earthy tones. Stone cladding adds a natural yet opulent touch to your walls. Use earthy stones like granite or sandstone for a long-lasting, majestic appeal. Bold, 3D geometric patterns for a modern visual appeal. Incorporate bold geometric designs to create a modern and artistic facade. These patterns add movement and intrigue to flat walls. Sleek wooden slats that create a cozy yet chic vibe. Horizontal or vertical wooden slats offer a modern and cozy look. They pair beautifully with glass or concrete for balanced aesthetics. Industrial metal trims for a sleek, urban look. Use sleek metal trims or panels to give your facade an industrial yet refined edge. Materials like copper, steel, or aluminum add strength and elegance. If you're ready to begin your home transformation, explore these must-have exterior decor items on Amazon. From outdoor wall lighting to other key essentials, click the links below to elevate your exterior design game. Laser-cut screens that merge art and privacy. Laser-cut screens offer an artistic and practical solution for front walls. These perforated designs allow light play while ensuring privacy. Soft curves bring fluidity to your walls. Break away from traditional straight lines with gracefully curved walls. They introduce softness and fluidity, perfect for modern and organic designs. Contrasting dual tones for bold architectural drama. Create bold contrasts by pairing dark and light tones on your facade. This dynamic design emphasizes architectural features and adds visual interest. Neutral earthy tones that blend seamlessly with nature. Choose a palette of neutral, earthy colors like beige, brown, and terracotta. These tones evoke calmness and blend seamlessly with nature. Transform your curb appeal with innovative designs, from vertical gardens to geometric patterns. Stay tuned for the next big trend in modern architecture. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell for updates. Don't forget to comment below. Transparent glass walls for a seamless indoor-outdoor feel. Large glass panels create a seamless connection between indoors and outdoors. This modern design floods interiors with natural light. Mural magic that turns your wall into a canvas. Transform your facade with custom-painted murals reflecting personal stories or cultural elements. Murals add a unique and artistic touch to your home. Movable wall panels add modern functionality. Movable panels introduce adaptability to your facade, allowing you to adjust for light, privacy, or style. This innovative design keeps things functional yet modern. We are 17 trends in, and the ideas keep getting better. Which of these designs would you choose for your home? Comment below and share this video to inspire others on their renovation journey. Let's continue to the next house front wall designs. Intricate floral jali patterns for timeless beauty. Use intricate floral pattern jalis to combine traditional charm with modern design. These screens provide ventilation and a decorative element. Concrete and wood fusion blends strength and warmth for a balanced look. Combine concrete's rugged durability with wood's natural warmth for a balanced, contemporary look. The result is a facade that feels both solid and inviting. Let backlit stone walls for nighttime elegance. Illuminate stone-clad walls with subtle backlighting for an ethereal glow. This design element creates a luxurious nighttime visual. Want to bring these trends to life? Explore some of the best products on Amazon to make it happen. Don't wait, start your home makeover today with these top-rated tools like metal coating spray paints and pressure washers for outdoor cleaning that you can find in the description. Parametric patterns offer dynamic, algorithm-driven designs. Introduce organic, flowing patterns designed using algorithms. These intricate shapes make your facade stand out as a futuristic masterpiece. Linear designs of vertical stripes that enhance verticality. Incorporate vertical grooves or stripes to add height and sophistication. These linear designs give the illusion of taller structures. These upcoming year house front wall designs are sleek, modern, and packed with personality. Let's dive into the hottest design styles and find out which one is perfect for your home. Stay with us till the end for exclusive tips on how to implement them. Comment your favorite design, share with friends, and subscribe with the bell icon for the latest trends. Sculptural design blends art and form for a striking visual impact. Opt for sculptural textures or reliefs to add depth and character to your walls. These designs turn your facade into a piece of art. Modern metal mesh adds drama to daylight and shadows. Cover walls with fine metal mesh for a modern and edgy look. This mesh plays with natural light to create dynamic patterns. Wood blocks add an organic yet structured look. Use timber blocks in structured patterns to bring warmth and style. This blend of rustic material with geometric arrangement modernizes the facade. Can you guess which of these trends is the most popular in upcoming year? Let us know your guess in the comments. Integrated seating spaces blend functionality and design. Design built-in seating spaces along your front wall for a functional and inviting entrance. Perfect for adding charm to small outdoor areas. Earthy terracotta offers warmth and durability. Terracotta panels are eco-friendly and aesthetically pleasing, offering a warm, earthy vibe with unmatched durability. Looking to enhance your outdoor space? Explore the best products on Amazon to bring your ideas to life. From privacy screens for yard extensions to wall-mounted planters for your house exterior, discover top-rated options in the description. Start transforming your home today. Mirror panels reflect style and space, enhancing light and depth. Add mirror-finished panels to reflect light and surroundings, creating an illusion of more space. This design makes your facade look futuristic. Futuristic facades combine innovation and design for a bold, modern look. Combine minimalistic shapes with smart lighting and cutting-edge materials. These facades exude sophistication and forward-thinking design. That's it for the top house front wall designs. Comment your favorite trend, and if you loved this, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for more inspiring content.